dear friends, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate. So today I just want to show you how I make onion oil at home and how I use it on my hair, and I promise with the continued use of it you'll experience thickness and growth of your hair, and also you will see that your hair will become stronger and less prone to breakage. So for it to work, you need to be very consistent with it. Like for me, I've been using it once in a week, that is 4 times in a month, because I wash my hair once in a week. But you don't have to do what I do, you can just do what works for you. And also for it to be very effective, you need to focus on hairstyles that do not put pressure on your hair, because if you are consistently doing hairstyles that are putting pressure on your hair, it will just break your hair. So onion oil will be doing its best, but for you, you're doing hairstyles that ruin your hair, so you need to be very careful with the hairstyles that you do. And also you will need to exercise patience, because this is not something that you will do it like once and then you wake up your hair is down on your knees. You need to be very patient with it and wait for the result. Like for me, when I started using it, I started seeing the results after 2 months. So you need to be very, very, very patient, and it will work. And I promise, because this is my own testimony, because I've been using it and now I use it to treat my hair. So please, if you find this video helpful, please watch it to the end, and also share and like my video. And please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below if you're going to try out this technique. And also I kindly request you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please support my channel by subscribing. I am on a journey to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. You will not regret by watching this video. Thank you so much. Let's get started. Here we are. So for this oil, we are going to need 1 large onion, a grater to grate the onion, and also we're gonna need a sieve, spoon, castor oil, and hot water. The spoon will help us just to spoon out the juice, and also the sieve will help us to sieve the juice from the stuff that we have created. And also we will need olive oil, but in case of olive oil you can use a different oil, but castor oil is a must for this, because castor oil helps in promoting hair growth, and it helps in thickening your hair and also adding volume, and it can also help you with your edges when you're struggling with thinning edges, so especially when your hair is thinning out, so castor oil will really help. So this is a very nice combination between onion juice and castor oil, because both of them, like, they are related with the functions that they perform on our hair. So this is gonna help you with thinning hair, and especially when your hair is breaking out. So please make sure that castor oil is included into this. And guys, I'm just sharing this with you because, you know, when I started using this mixture, my hair was really bad, and it was falling out, and I didn't know what was wrong with my hair, but this stuff really saved my hair. So I'm very sure if you're gonna be consistent with it, it's gonna help you. But if you need more information about the ingredients or what contains in the onion that helps it to promote hair growth, you can go to Google. But for me, I'm just giving you basic information and what I have learned about this when it has been interacting with my hair. So when you need more information, you can just go to Google. As you can see now, I'm just pouring the juice in this little applicator bottle, and I'm adding the castor oil. I don't have a specific measure, but you can just use you can just add in according to your liking, just enough for the mixture. And also after that, I will add in olive oil, as you can see. So I'm adding olive oil. Also, you don't have specific measure, I just add in according to my liking. And then after that, now that's when hot water comes in, because as you can see, the mix is not mixed well, so hot water is going to help it to just mix and blend well. So you insert the mixture into this cup of hot water and wait for a few minutes. And also, as you wait, you also help it to shake it so that it continues to mix. Yeah, just like that. It is a very simple process, and I promise you guys, if you're gonna try out this and be patient with it, you will not regret. You will love the results that you will see on your hair. It will really help your hair. So now I just want to, I'm applying generously to my scalp as I massage, just like that. It's very simple. As you can see, it's very self-explanatory. So usually I just apply on my scalp, and also the remaining I will just pour it on top of my hair and the tips of my hair, so that just to make sure that they are soaked with the mixture, because it also helps when I apply it. It really helps me like adding more moisture to my hair. So you will see as we continue. So guys, I just want to encourage you with a word from the book of Ephesians chapter 4 verse 29. It says, do not use foul or abusive language. Let everything you say be good and helpful, so that your words will be an encouragement to those who hear them. So guys, we need to be very careful with the words that we say towards our friends, because the words that we speak to other people, it can be lifting them, or it can be discouraging them, or sometimes it can be words that is poisoning their lives. So we also need to be very careful with what comes out of our heart, because what comes out of our heart, it really indicates of what we really are at our inside in our heart. And Paul is just warning us against this unwholesome language like bitterness and bad attitude towards other people. And this is the essence of Christianity. This is why Jesus Christ came. He came to heal, and he came to lift people. So when we claim Jesus Christ is in our life, we also need to portray the same thing by lifting other people with the words that we speak, by encouraging other people with the words we speak. So we really need to be very careful, because as you saw the ministry of Jesus Christ when he lived on this earth. That is what he did when he found people did not have peace, or when he found people being accused. Jesus Christ never accused them, but he just gotten into their space and tried to help them by just giving them peace and making them feel relieved. So we also need to exercise that by also just being careful with the kind of words that we speak towards other people. So guys, as you can see, I usually put my hair in braids just like that after I have applied the mixture. So when I put it in braids, it helps my hair to be more manageable, because I'm going to wash my hair the next day. I wash my hair in section just like this, section by section. It really helps you so much. And as you can see, I am done, and I'm just going to cover my hair with this cap and this shower cap, and I'm going to leave it overnight. But if you cannot leave it overnight, you can just make sure that you apply the mixture maybe early in the morning and wash off in the afternoon, and make sure after washing you condition your hair and style as you desire. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.